This is P, and we're back. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe now. That way you can stay up to date with all my latest unboxing and review videos. So today is July the 8th, 2022, and TGIF channel is basically going to be sneaker unboxings and reviews, along with some apparel, some fragrances, some supplements, and also some electronics. Every now and then we'll do a few vlogs, pickups, and all of that. So we're gonna go ahead and check out the next sneaker. I uploaded these earlier today, which is going to be the reverse black toe Jordan 1 low. Crispy, comment below if you like these. Check out Rise on Disney Plus, Giannis. But we're going to be talking about some of these pickups, and these are going to be from Hibbets. So let's see what we got in this package. Oh, yeah. The box is a little damaged. Smashed. This is the second time I received a package smashed and damaged from Hibbets. Crazy. If you ever get a package smashed or damaged from Hibbets, contact the customer service. And they'll give you, I think, 15% back of the cost. So it would have been nice, because I've been receiving some pretty good boxes lately. Comment below if you noticed with the Dunks and the Jordan releases, Nike then stepped up the game with the boxes and the designs a little bit. Besides those, but yeah, this is the second one that was smashed. But we have the Nike Dunk Low Retro Premium Black Summit, and white. And I'll have to look up the exact title. You'll have it in the description, in the title section soon. Well, you have it now, as a matter of fact. But anyway, this box is orange and black. And you have a little small Nike swoosh right here that's cut out in the cardboard. Yeah. So basically, on this particular box, we're gonna flip the lid. Went true to size 9.5. For the women, that's gonna be size 11. Alright, so these are definitely different. I was wondering why this particular dunk is still sitting at Hibbets. Hopefully you can get a pair for retail. Very lightweight. It's a premium titled sneaker, but I did realize it was in canvas material. It's a lot of different things going on, almost like graffiti. You got the distressedness of the materials, like just wall cut. So this is going to be a Dunk Low by Nike. The bottom is black, and you sort of have like this off-white, or like the black stitching that goes around it. The swoosh is going to be black leather, and the rest of the material is basically this canvas material with multi-colors. Even though it said black and white, it's almost like airbrush, almost like graffiti. Purple, hits of red, pink, green. You have Nike stitched on the back, Nike on the tongue with outlined in this magenta color. Yeah, these are different. I can tell skaters are gonna love these. Perforation in the toe box area, lightweight, low cut. Also, the flip bed, or the insole, has a lot of different designs. Yeah, with Nike in red, definitely want to compare this to a Jordan 1 low, just to show when you can't get dunks, like, look how similar the style of the shoe is with a Jordan 1 low. Definitely on the bottom, I would say that the dunk is more narrow, with this being the exact same size, but basically the same design almost. The tongue is a little bit longer on a Jordan 1 low, but as far as like if you was wearing jeans, like a lot of similarities, because you're still gonna get the swoosh in the middle. Alright, so comment below how you feel about these. One thing I noticed is, of course, the design is not identical on each sneaker. Comment below if you would like wear these as a skater or in the gym. I think these would be fire. Also a great kick for back to school. It's easy to match up. Basically black jeans, shredded jeans, distress, with any of these colors or a combination. Like even like a flannel or something in the fall. Or one of those pullover hoodies with the different colors. These retailed for I think $125 plus tax. Let's see. Nike Dunk Low Retro Premium. And I'll have the exact title in a few. I don't know what it is yet. If you have a boutique or like a little skate shop, or you sell shoes on your own website, it's good to have a variety. Constantly try to get your hands on different heat. Some people like to stick to the same type of customer or individual, but you can switch it up. You know, different brands, different styles, different colors, because you never know the type of individual that may be looking for something unique or specific. But I do like how I'm impressed with the art. And there you have it. Dunk Low Premium. I almost want to call these Graffiti, but we'll make sure that's the exact title of this colorway. And we're talking Nike Dunks, y'all. Check out my previous videos. Hope you're enjoying all of them. We bring creativity to the P.oastman. That's Postman brand. Follow me on Instagram. Hit me in the DM if you got any questions, especially if you wear a size 9.5, 9, 10. I do got some 10.5s on the way. And we'll set you up with processing in order if you would like to pick these up. Check me out on eBay. Shout out to my cousin Cody, whose birthday is today. July. I got a lot of cousins and friends whose birthday is in July, so comment below if you're a Counselor Crab, Triple C, that crazy Counselor Cat Crab. My B-Day is coming up, 7/12, you already know. But it's about these dunks. Cool box, gotta contact Hibbett's customer service. Peace.
Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Like, comment.
It's like this orange and black graffiti is almost like Little Caesar's pizza box. Fresh and ready. at all times. So these are going to be, once again, the multi-orbit or pink graffiti Donkelos. Canvas material. This distress is called Fray, F-R-A-Y. These just look like a sneaker con shoe all day for the summer, early fall. I like the Nike Douglas. Say what?